Welcome. This is Discreed Beats. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a 4PF type beat. Let's get down to the video. Well, I'm gonna start by playing the intro of the beat so you guys can get an idea of how it sounds. Well, let's get into the first instrument. The first instrument is from Analog Lab 5. It's a nice instrument, this one. Let me just play the sound. Let me go to the mix of this track, mixer number 8. What I did on a mixer, I only added a bit, took away of the low end of the beat, didn't take away anything else because this is only something I made for the tutorial. I didn't put in a lot of work into this beat. I want to show you how to make a 4PF type beat. Didn't do much on the mixing. Okay, let's go to the other instrument I used on the intro, which is a guitar, and this is how it sounds like. So this is what I used on for the fix for this plugin. Took away some of the low end. Use this plugin called the Magic Switch. This thing is free, by the way. You can download this from the website. You can get it for free. I used ROM for this, about 30%. Okay. The next thing I used was this Orchestra Sound. It's from a contact library, one of the ethnic contact libraries sounds, and this is how it sounds like. I've done for the mix of it. This is really worked a little bit on taking away some of the low end and some of the high end of the beat, of the vocal, and then I took away some of the sounds that was causing distortion. That's all I did for that, and added a bit of reverb. I choose this preset right here called Venue, and then I adjusted it based on how I listen to the sound. The next instrument is a bass. It's from Expand. I'll show you all which sound exactly I chose for this one. So here in Expand, you have to go to strings number 14, and then you choose this one, bigger format strings. I don't know how you say that, but let me go to the mixer track. For the mixer track, I didn't do shit. I left it empty. Yeah, that's what's up. Okay, let's go to the first drop of the beat. So what I did here is I added a little bit more. So the first thing that you notice when it came down to the drop was the strings that I added. Well, this is how it sounds like. Well, for the mixer, what I did on the effects for that one, I add a stereo shaper. This is to pan it from left to right as it plays the different notes in that sound. You can have to do this based on the type of melodies that you used. Well, I added a reverb for this and a paramedic EQ to take out the low end. Okay, the next thing I used for this was another sound from Analog Lab 5. This is how it sounds like. When it comes to the mixer track, what I did is I took away most high end and the low end of the frequency of this sound, and then I added halftime. Dope ass plugin. That shit's dope. The next thing I added was this 808. I didn't do anything for the mix of this 808 because I already fine tuned it to how I like my 808s. But what I did is I merged all of the sounds. So what I did for the stereo separation, I made it mono, like 50%. That's what I did. Because you need to know that all of your bass in the beat needs to be mono, guys. It needs to be. Let me get back to the beat. What I also did is I added the string. Well, it doesn't matter which string you choose, but I use it from my contact bank that I bought online, library. What I did for the string on the mixer track is the only thing I did was add a little bit of ROM, about 25%. That's all I did. Adjusted the volumes because in the plugin that I used, the library I used, you can also like adjust the equalization for the strings. And that's all I did for the intro. And basically, what I did for the rest of the beat was just arrangement, because those are all the sounds that I use. Anyways, yeah, guys, that's how I made the beat. Yeah, I just forgot one instrument. This is a piano. Yeah, this instrument I forgot. Piano. So this piano, simple piano. I used the default piano for this one from FL. On the mixer track, did a bit of equalization to go with high end and low end of the sound, and did the same thing I did with the other instruments. Added this preset here and adjusted it based on what I wanted from the sound. When it gets down to the drums, guys, didn't do that much, but yeah, listen. Let me go to the kick. I don't think I did anything but a little bit of EQing. Then I did this here. Same applies for the hats. Did for the hats as well. bit of EQing, reverb, and a delay. Because when you make like 4PF type beats, you need to like know how to do your hats, man, because you need to do it differently. Because normally when you open FL Studio, it's like it's on this cell, so you need to change it to this and then adjust your hats accordingly. Then you need to play a little bit with the velocity to give it that sound that bounds. It comes down to the other hat that I used. Same thing applies. And that's it. Thank y'all. Thank you guys for listening. See you guys.